Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and today we'll be taking a look at this Swift, the latest generation. This is the VDI automatic. So front you can see this comes with the halogen headlamps, no fog lights on this variant. This is the red color one. And let's walk around the car and I'll show you the exterior. So this comes with steel rims, body colored mirrors, body colored handles, the unique back door handle, and this is the back profile of the car. So you can see this is Swift, no other badging here, Suzuki logo. So price of this car starts from 6,13,000 and goes all the way till 10,84,000 for the ZDI automatic, ZDI plus automatic. Side profile of the car. And now let me show you the interiors. So this is a quick walk around. If you want me to do a test drive video of this car, then I'm aiming, if we can reach 1,000 likes in this video, then I'll definitely make a test drive video. So this is the music system, manual AC controls. Since this is VDI, this does not come with the touch screen. On the higher variants you get a touch screen. This is the black dashboard, automatic, you can see. Steering mounted controls, nice looking speedometer, tachometer. Comes with adjustable headrest, the back ones are fixed. And yeah, let's take a look at the back seat now. So this is the back seat. So you can see enough decent leg space, and this is how the dashboard looks from the back seat. So well, if you like this video and want me to make a test drive, don't forget to hit on that like button, test drive video. And for now, this is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.